The third algorithm is least recently used page replacement algorithm. This algorithm uses the recent past as approximation of the near future. So when we talk about the optimal page replacement algorithm, we know the optimal algorithm uses future information, but this future information is unknown. So here we use past information to approximate the future information. This algorithm replaces the page that has not been used for the longest period of time. So that means the page that has not been used for the longest period of time in the past, this page, there probably will not be used in the near future. So we select this page as victim page and swap this page out. The least recently used algorithm associates with each page the time that this page is last accessed. And now let's take a look at an example of this algorithm. So here we use the same reference string. So the process access page 7, and then page 0, and then page 1, etc. So the first three, these are 3 page fault. And we load the first 3 pages in this 3 free frames. So we have page fault, 3 page fault here, but we don't need the page replacement. And then the process need to access page 2. So now we have a page fault and we need a page replacement. And now we use a least recently used algorithm to select the victim. Now we take a look at the historical information, the past information. Now the page 3 is accessed at the time. Okay, the page 3 is accessed at time 1. Okay, and then the page 0 is accessed at page 2. And then the page 1 is accessed at page 3. And now we need to select a victim. We see the page 7 hasn't been used for the longest period of time compared with page 0 and 1. So page 7 is a victim page. I will write here. So page 7 is a victim page. We use page 2 to replace page 7. And then the page 0 is needed. Page 0 is in the memory, no page fault. And then page 3 is needed. So we have a page fault and we need the page replacement. And the page 2 is accessed at time 4. And the page 0 is accessed at time 5. And the page 1 is accessed at time 3. Now these 3 pages, page 1 has not been used for the longest period of time. So page 1 is a victim page. We use a page 3 to replace page 1. And then page 0 is in the memory, no page fault. And then the page 4, we have the page fault, we need the page replacement. Page 2 is accessed at time 4. Page 0 was accessed at time 7. And the page 3 was accessed at time 6. And now we can see the page 2 as a victim page. It has not been accessed for the longest period of time. So we use a page 4 to replace page 2. And then page 2 is needed. Page 2 is needed. Page 4 is accessed at time 8. and page 0 is accessed at time 7. Page 3 is accessed at time 6. So the page 3 is a victim page. It has not been used for the longest period of time compared with page 4 and 0. So we use page 2 to replace page 3. And now page 3 is needed again. So we select the victim page. Page 2 is accessed at time 9. So now the page 0 is a victim page. We use a page 3 to replace page 0. And then the page 0 is needed. Page fault, we need the page replacement. Now page 4 is accessed at time 7, time 8. And page 3 is accessed at time 10. Page 2 is accessed at time 9. Now the page 4 is selected as a victim page. Page 0 to replace page 4. And then the page 3 is needed. Page 3 is in the memory. Page 2 is in the memory. And page 1 is needed. Page 1 is needed. We need to select a victim page. Page 0 is accessed at time 11. And page 3 is accessed at time 12. And page 2 is accessed at time 13. Okay, now we can see the page 0 has not been accessed for the longest period of time. So the page 1 replaces page 0. Page 2 is in the memory, no page fault. And the page 0 is needed, so we select a victim page. Page 1 is accessed at time 14. Time 14, page 1 is accessed. And the page 3 was accessed at 12. And the page 2 was accessed at 13. So page 3 is a victim page. Page 0 replaces page 3. Page 1 is in the memory. And then the page 7. Page 7, we have the page fault, need the page replacement. Page 1 is accessed at time 17. Page 0 is accessed at time 14. Page 2 is accessed at time 15. So 1, 17, 0, 16, and the page 2 is 15. So now the page 2 is a victim page. It hasn't been accessed for the longest period of time compared with the page 1 and 0. So this is a 7. And then the page 1 and 0, they're both in the memory, no page fault. Now we count the number of page fault. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 page fault when we use the least recently unused. Now, this is a example of least recently used algorithm. This algorithm is between the performance is between the first in first out and optimal. So 12 page fault is better than first in first out 15 page fault, and worse than the optimal. Optimal has 9 page fault between these two. The least recently used algorithm, this is generally a good algorithm and frequently used in the operating system. Okay, this video will stop here.